Mohoro ni tuthie na mbere. Thirikari ni yugite ni hariirie kuigana orire gutigarite thiku imwe tu arutwo makorwo magicokereria thukuru kwambiriria tamu ya keri. Minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha ni arutete mukana kuri arutani wakwa kuigata arutwo ni undu wa bithi gukwa githingiriria fata wa thukuru ciothe gukorwo ina ceceni cia gwithambira moko. Wanjiru wa Foro na riboti ino makiria.
Ni hindi ya mihang'o ya kunyabara ite cia guikarirwo ni arutwo thukuru-ini wa Gibira guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni Minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha. Magoha augite ite ici na iria cirekereirio thukuru-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini ni ikinyanĩire ikiro, akiuga ati kuongererwo gwa ite mathukuru-ini tikuga arutwo ati ni magukorwo makihota guikara haraihu na mundu uria ungi niguo guteithĩrĩria hari guhotomia utheremio wa murimu wa COVID-19 indi ni marikoragwo na turembeko twa kuhumbira kanua na manioro.
Don't come and start on Monday to say, oh, this desk is not 1 meter. You will be talking to yourself because you will not see any 1 meter. Our children must be at school and they'll be sitting closer than 1 meter. And they shall all be masked. And this has already happened. The schools were open, all of them. And the only thing is that they were not sitting close to 1 meter, but they were wearing masks, there was flowing water. And the schools were not like you are being shown on certain television channels.
Arutani ni maruteirwo mukana wa kwaga gwetia arutwo sanitizers magicoka cukuru, akiuga to muhaka arutwo macoke na sanitizers guku akiuria mathukuru makorwo na ceceni cia gwithambira moko.
Situation where some teachers are asking children to buy sanitizers in large quantities and take to schools, that shall not be allowed. Because of the 16 million children we have, maybe 50 of them are erratic in thinking. You do not want to give them a situation where you bring so much liquid sanitizers to a school, which they will use for other things. And I don't want to say which other things. You are intelligent, ladies and gentlemen, you know what they will use it for.
Arutani ni moretio kwaga gukorwo makiingatira arutwo bithi ya tamu ya keri, indi akiuga ti kwira aciari matikarihe bithi.
That you don't send children home to go and do nothing. They have already been home for a long, long time. I'm asking the teachers to do what I usually do, to disregard reports, take a ride to the home and see whether this family you are sending the child back to, the child can raise the money. If the child cannot raise the money, together with us, together with the government, we'll start looking for another small scholarship to identify the children that must actually be assisted.
Arutwo makoretwo muciĩ ihinda-inĩ rĩa mieri kenda. Magoha akiuga arutwo kirathi gĩa kanana na kirathi gĩa form 4 marĩkia gũtiriha igeranio ciao magũikara muciĩ nginyanagia arutwo aya angĩ makorwo magĩtiriha tamu yao ya gatatũ. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Foro.
Thengio Wanjiru wa Foro ni undu wa riboti yo mureke imwe cia ndumiriri ciaku iria ugithiete na mbere na gututumira hari mundu aikiuga etagwo Mohoro wa Upendo kuma Naikuru aikiuga Nungari ndumiriri yakwa ya macakaya ni kuri family wetigetwo ni andu atano hamwe ni ruo runene muno na muno makiria ihinda tariri ria mwaka mweru ni ngatho Mwaura murugoto Pastor Ben wa Migate aikiuga agikiri mitambo-ini kuma kurogo mwena wa Dandora na gekena ni muthenya wake wa gugiciarwo. Happy birthday kuri we Pastor Ben wa Migate, korone gukinywete mai madimu ni giagikuringithiria rwimbo rumwe rwa happy birthday no hatikiri undu nyingire kuri go mwena wa Facebook. Kamau kanyi wa Soko Huru aikiuga riboti yake hana pore kuri family iyo ya andu atano, Ngai athie na mbere gukimahe thayu. Mundu gwitwo Musa wa Bao ni ngatho muno makiria, nake mundu gwitwo Thomas Risho kuma Gatuanyaga aikiuga agikire thiini wa mitambo. Twambe tuikirie turacokereria.
NIBS Technical College. Githomo noyo investment area mutakagayana na mundu ona kana mundu agutunye. NIBS Technical College nitwiteketie ati githomo kirivata tondu nigitumaga mundu agie na wandanduku wa ugi na ugi ucio ugatu